Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you what we will be doing on Patreon this month and also what will be coming to YouTube as well. So you can see this is a character with the animation. It's actually halfway through the animation, so if I just scroll this you can see the character is about to cast some sort of spell. So this month on Patreon we'll be doing actually the cast part. Let me show you this. Okay, so the end part, I just did it because I want to just test a couple parameters and how they work. But imagine up to the, the ball forming, that's the cast, and then this ball becomes projectile that the character can fire. Okay, and I think it might be a little bit too slow for the animation. Because I'd imagine the cast starts here and then goes, so yeah, it might be just a little bit too slow. But I'm guessing we just can tweak the lifetime of it. All right, so let me hide all other stuff that I have in the scene, so I can show you the cast and we can actually focus on it a little bit more. Okay, so there are a couple elements there, as you can see. I think our main focus will be on those swirls, and we're gonna create them in geometry we're gonna create in Houdini, and then obviously we're just gonna create our textures and everything else in Substance and Unreal Engine, and obviously Unity as well. So as you can see, this is just what I have in Unreal Engine, and later on I'll try to transfer that into Unity or recreate it in Unity as close as I can. So yeah, just a small update on what we'll be doing this month on Patreon, and also some of the stuff we'll be doing on YouTube as well. I think that will be definitely the Houdini meshes part, and maybe some textures in Substance. Alright, thanks for watching.